Not all calories are created equal. Most of us are familiar with the concept of counting calories when we're talking about dietary approaches for weight loss. But the type of calories and food that you're consuming is also really important. And today we're going to talk about processed foods. So what are processed foods? Well, they tend to include additives like flavors and colors. They tend to be high in calories, sugar, salt, and fat, and low in whole food ingredients. Examples of processed foods would include things like refined breads, bagels, chips, crackers, cookies, and processed meats. Whereas whole food examples would include things like fruit, vegetables, nuts, and legumes. Now, there are numerous studies linking processed foods with increased weight and obesity, but what's the cause? Well, processed foods tend to taste delicious, but they don't leave you satisfied and full. They actually disrupt the gut-brain normal signaling, so you're not as satiated or full or satisfied with the same number of calories as whole foods, and you're actually driven to consume even more calories. Processed foods also tend to be low in protein and fiber, which are two things that also contribute to making us feel full. Interestingly, people who are consuming processed foods also tend to eat faster than when they're eating whole foods. So we know that processed foods contribute to weight gain, but they also can lead to increased inflammation, cancer risk, chronic disease, and higher cholesterol. So while the debate rages on among doctors in terms of what's the most specific best diet for weight loss overall, the one thing we can all agree on is the benefit in reducing highly processed foods to improve weight and overall health.